Stop buying washing machines based on ads and marketing claims, because in 2026, most washers look perfect on the surface, but real-world ownership tells a very different story. Within months, many people start facing issues like noise, vibration problems, drainage errors, mold buildup, and expensive repair bills. And the biggest mistake buyers make is assuming that a higher price automatically means better reliability. That is not true. After reviewing long-term reliability data, repair reports, and real owner experiences, only a small number of washing machines consistently stand out for long-term dependability and low complaint rates. In this video, we're breaking down the only 4 washers with 0 complaints, Consumer Report 2026. And by the end, you'll know exactly which one is worth your money and which ones you should avoid. Let's get into it. Number 4. GE Profile PTW900BPTRS. Best high-capacity top-load washer. The GE Profile PTW900BPTRS stands out because it successfully combines large-capacity performance with the kind of practical usability many modern washers fail to deliver. A major complaint with newer, high-efficiency top-load machines is that they often prioritize water and energy savings so aggressively that actual cleaning performance suffers. Owners frequently deal with shallow water levels, poorly rinsed clothes, unbalanced loads, and spin cycles that constantly pause or restart. The PTW900BPTRS does a much better job avoiding those frustrations by using a more advanced sensing system that accurately detects load size, fabric type, and weight distribution. This allows the washer to intelligently adjust water levels, agitation patterns, and cycle timing for better overall cleaning performance. The difference becomes especially clear when washing oversized comforters, towels, or large mixed family loads that cheaper machines often struggle to clean evenly. Another major strength is the improved suspension and vibration control system, which helps the washer remain stable and quiet during high-speed spin cycles instead of shaking excessively across the floor. GE also adds several premium features that improve day-to-day convenience, including smart connectivity, customizable wash settings, built-in stain treatment options, and an advanced detergent dispensing system designed to simplify frequent laundry routines. While it may not be built with the ultra-heavy commercial-style simplicity of machines like the Queen TC5, it still offers an excellent balance of modern technology, cleaning power, capacity, and long-term dependability. For large households or families that regularly deal with heavy laundry loads and want a washer that feels both powerful and refined, the PTW900BPTRS remains one of the strongest and most dependable high-capacity top-load washers currently available on the market. Number 3. Electrolux ELFW7637AT Best Premium Front-Load Washer. Electrolux has quietly become one of the most respected names in the washer market, even though it doesn't receive the same level of hype as bigger mainstream competitors. The Electrolux ELFW7637AT stands out because it focuses on the things that actually matter in everyday use: strong cleaning performance, gentle fabric care, low vibration, and long-term reliability. Many washers clean aggressively, but slowly wear out clothes over time, while others protect fabrics but fail to remove deep stains effectively. Electrolux manages to strike an impressive balance between both. One of the biggest strengths of this machine is how consistent it feels across different types of laundry. Whether you're washing delicate fabrics, workout clothing, towels, bedding, or large family-sized loads, the performance remains stable without noticeable drops in cleaning quality. The stain removal capability is especially impressive, which is why many appliance reviewers consider it one of the best-performing front-load washers currently available. Another area where this washer excels is noise and vibration control. Many front-load machines tend to shake heavily during high-speed spin cycles, especially when installed on uneven floors. But the ELFW7637AT stays remarkably controlled and quiet, even under heavier loads. The machine also feels more refined and premium compared to many competitors within the same price range, from the drum movement to the overall build quality. Like any front-load washer, basic maintenance is still necessary. Cleaning the rubber gasket occasionally and leaving the door slightly open after cycles helps prevent moisture buildup and odors. But overall, if you want a washer that delivers excellent cleaning, protects clothes, runs quietly, and provides dependable long-term performance, Electrolux has become one of the safest premium washer brands you can buy in 2026. Number 2. Speed Queen TC5, most reliable washer ever built. The Speed Queen TC5 has earned a reputation that almost no modern washer can match. In an era where most appliance brands focus on adding Wi-Fi connectivity, touchscreens, and complicated automation, Speed Queen stayed focused on what actually matters most: building a washer that lasts. The TC5 is engineered with heavy-duty internal components, a commercial-style design, and a traditional mechanical feel that instantly separates it from typical residential machines. Owners consistently praise its solid construction, powerful wash performance, and long-term dependability. Unlike many modern washers that develop electronic or sensor-related issues after a few years, the TC5 keeps things intentionally simple, which dramatically reduces the chances of major failures. Its traditional agitator system delivers strong cleaning performance, making it especially effective for dirty work clothes, towels, jeans, and heavily soiled laundry. The suspension, transmission, and overall build quality feel substantially tougher than what you'll find in most competing models. Many buyers choose this washer specifically because they want something repairable, straightforward, and built to survive daily use for well over a decade. In fact, it's one of the few residential washers where 15 to 20 years of ownership is still considered realistic. Of course, the TC5 does make some compromises. It uses more water and electricity than many modern high-efficiency front-load washers, and the smaller drum capacity may not suit very large families. It's also less gentle on delicate fabrics compared to premium front-load machines from brands like LG or Electrolux. But for people who care more about durability, simplicity, and long-term reliability than flashy features, those trade-offs are easy to accept. Simply put, the Speed Queen TC5 remains one of the toughest and most dependable residential washers you can buy in 2026. Number 1. LG WM4000HWA Best Overall Washer. If you want the safest all-around washer in 2026, this is probably it. The LG WM4000HWA has become one of the most recommended washing machines by reviewers, technicians, and long-term owners for one simple reason. This washer manages to combine excellent cleaning performance, modern features, strong energy efficiency, and surprisingly solid reliability all in one package. Most washers are good at one thing and weak in another. Some clean well but break often. Others last longer but perform poorly. The WM4000HWA avoids most of those compromises. First, the cleaning performance is excellent. It handles large loads very effectively and removes tough stains without being too aggressive on clothing. The spin cycle is powerful, which means clothes come out drier and drying times become shorter. Another major advantage is stability. A lot of front-load washers develop vibration problems over time, especially during high-speed spinning. But LG's balancing system in this model is much more refined than many competitors. It stays relatively quiet and stable even during heavy loads. The washer also includes steam cleaning, AI-assisted wash settings, smart connectivity, and automatic load sensing. Now, normally, more features mean more things that can break. But LG's washer platform has improved significantly over the past few years, and many appliance technicians now consider LG front-load washers among the most dependable modern machines available. That's something you rarely hear about modern appliances, but there are still downsides. Like almost all front-load washers, maintenance matters. If you constantly leave the door closed after cycles, moisture buildup can eventually create mold or odor problems around the gasket. This isn't unique to LG. It's simply one of the realities of front-load washers. Still, if you want the best overall combination of cleaning performance, features, efficiency, and reliability, this is one of the strongest washer choices in 2026. The truth about zero-complaint washers. Most people don't realize that the main issue with washing machines is not just the brand, but the growing complexity of modern designs. Today's washers come with touch panels, smart sensors, Wi-Fi connectivity, and advanced automated cycles. And while these features look useful, each added function also introduces another possible point of failure. This is one reason older machines often lasted 15 to 20 years with fewer issues, while newer ones may develop problems earlier. However, user habits are just as important for long-term reliability. Overloading the drum, using too much detergent, skipping filter cleaning, or leaving the door closed after washing can all lead to odors, mold, drainage issues, and faster wear of internal parts over time. So after looking at reliability, owner satisfaction, cleaning performance, and long-term durability, these are the 4 washers that stand above the rest in 2026. The LG WM4000HWA is the best overall washer for most people because it balances performance, features, efficiency, and reliability better than almost anything else. The Queen TC5 is the ultimate durability machine designed for long-term ownership and minimal breakdowns. The Electrolux ELFW7637AT is the best premium front loader for fabric care, quiet operation, and cleaning consistency. And the GE Profile PTW900BPTRS is one of the best modern high-capacity top-load washers with fewer complaints than most competitors. At the end of the day, the best washer isn't the one with the most technology. It's the one that cleans consistently, survives for years, and doesn't turn laundry day into a repair nightmare. And in 2026, these 4 come closest to that ideal.